Hello there viewers, this is HVAC Freelancer, and today's video will cover one of our more technical lessons that is a part of our HVAC technician's curriculum. So what is an air handler? When you hear handler, you think manager. That is exactly what it is. It controls the quality, circulation, and temperature of the air in a room. Next question, how does it work? Typically, all air conditioners have multiple components that work together for it to function, such as air filters that clean the air that comes into the unit of impurities. Mixing chamber is used to maintain indoor air quality. Balancing weights help to maintain the fan and prevent any vibration or wobbling of the fan as it rotates. Controls unit is used to control the speeds of airflow in the handler. Evaporator coil controls the temperature of the air. Electrical units are electrical wiring and connections that help with linking the entire unit to the electrical supply. And blower motor that works by blowing air into the attached duct to circulate it into your living spaces. That was our overview over air handlers. If you would like to know more information about this topic, go to hvacfreelancer.com, or you can click the link below in the description. Feel free to join to get a free copy of the ebook, HVAC Freelancer, Guide to Success in the HVACR Industry.